A pleasant day everyone. My name is Mike M. Palaganas and today we will going to dive into our topic which is the Pythagorean theorem, finding the lengths of right triangle sides. So first, what is Pythagorean theorem? So a Pythagorean theorem attributed to Pythagoras is a fundamental principle in geometry that relates the three sides of a right triangle. In a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the two legs. So a right triangle that has one right angle which is 90 degrees. The legs, the two sides that form the right angles, and the hypotenuse is the side opposite of the right angle. It is always the longest side, take note. And also the formula is here, no? So c squared equals a squared plus b squared. And we use three types of formula depends uh on what sides is missing or what side we are going to find, no? Magkakaroon po tayo ng iba't ibang form nito. Yung mga location ng mga letters, like kapag ang hinahanap natin ay A, ang magiging formula natin is A equals to the square root of c squared minus b squared, like that. So now let's dive into our first example, the hypotenuse. Finding the hypotenuse. If we have this triangle and we have this side B4 and the side A is equals to 3 and we have this C or the hypotenuse is the missing. So since the missing is the hypotenuse side, our formula that we are going to use is c squared equals to a squared plus b squared. Now, we are going to evaluate or substitute the value of this letter, which is the AB. So, C equals to A. What is A? A is equals to 3. 3 squared. And B is equals to 4. So, 4 squared. Now, we are going to square this term. So, 3 squared. So, 3 times t. 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is equals to 9. And this, 4. 4 squared, which means is 4 times 4 is equals to 16. So, now, we are going to add this. 9 plus 16 is equals to 25 squared. No? So, paano natin matatanggal itong squared dito sa C? I-equate lang natin siya into this radical sign here. No? So, ang gagawin na natin dyan, radical and radical, makakancel natin to. Now, square root of 25 is 5. So, the value of the C or the hypotenuse side is 5. It is correct. Next, we are going to find the missing leg, which is we have this triangle. We have this triangle. So, C is equals to 13. B is equals to 5. And A is the missing leg. Now, since we have the given, the formula that we are going to use is the A squared equals to B squared minus C squared. This is the formula that we are going to use to find the value or the missing leg. Now, for the solution. So A squared equals to B. What is the value of B? The V is equals to 5 here. So 5 squared minus the C squared. What is the value of C? It's 13. So it's 13 squared. For another step, we are going to square this term or this number. So 5 times 5 is equals to 25 minus dito naman 13 squared. So 13 times 13 is 169. So here we're going to subtract 25 minus 169, or 169 minus 25 is equals to 144. To get rid of this exponent of the a, we are going to give it the radicand in each side or both side para ma-eliminate po siya. So a squared equals to 144. So 144 squared is equals to 12. Is it correct? Yes. So the value of A, or the missing leg, is 12. Now, we are going to find the another missing leg of the right triangle. So this is the right triangle. Here, the B is missing, the C is equals to 13, and the A is equals to 12. So what formula that we are going to use? So we have this, since the B is the missing, B is in the left side. B squared equals to C squared minus A squared. Do you get it? Now, i-evaluate lang natin or sa-substitute lang yung mga value ng sides. So, B squared equals to C. C is 13. C squared minus A. A is 12. So, 12 squared. And B squared. So, now, squared lang natin itong 13 squared. 13 times 13, 169. Minus, and then, squared lang din natin itong 12, or we're going to multiply by itself twice, which is 12 times 12 is 144. Now, ima-minus natin siya. 169 minus 144 is equals to 25. Okay, para matanggal tong 2 dito, maglalagay tayo ng radicand sign dito. Both side here. And now, para matanggal, so B is equals to square root of 25. The square root of 25 is 5. So the value of B, or the missing leg, is 5. Do you get it? Okay. So now this is how we find the leg of a right triangle using the Pythagorean theorem. So in conclusion, the Pythagorean theorem is one of the most important concepts in geometry. It shows the relationship between the three sides of the right triangle expressed as a squared plus b squared equals to c squared, or c squared equals to a squared plus b squared. So through this theorem, we can find the missing side of a triangle, verify if a triangle is right-angled, apply it in real-life situation like construction, navigation, and design. So thank you for listening.